Look, Chinese New Year is coming. This is the most important festival for Chinese people. So February 9th is the big day. However, Chinese factory usually start holiday at the end of January because factory workers will need to travel thousands of miles to return to their hometowns. They usually return to work at late February, so during this period they are not accepting orders. If you want to visit China for business, make sure you come after February. Of course, you don't have to come to China. I can help you to source any product directly from factories. I'm Tina, your business partner in China.